Hello everyone. Welcome to back in my Tibetan class. And for last 2 weeks, we learned about the three root of vowel or sound or tone and the four vowels. Okay. Today I am going to teach you four characters among the 30 consonants or from the 30 consonants. Okay. So before we start our class, I want to explain about my teaching method. Okay, actually I have to explain about it before, but it's a little bit late, so sorry about that. And my teaching method is a little bit different from compared to the traditional teaching method. Okay, traditionally we teach the 30 consonants and 4 vowels fast without a meaning. After that, we started to teach the combination of character or composed letters with meaning. But here I will teach uh, um, the most useful characters fast with meaning, and then less used characters next. Okay, it's a little bit different from the traditional teaching method. Okay, um, so it's like a fleet. Okay, don't worry about that. After all, you can read every consonant. Okay, 30 consonants and know every 4 vowels, every 30 consonants. Okay, with some meanings. Okay, so I think it's more benefit for who has interest to learn Tibetan language. Okay, so I tried to tried to do something new. Okay, because sometimes we getting boring to do the old way. So sometimes we want to do something new things. Okay, that's why I try to do something new. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so these are the 4 characters. Okay, from the 30 consonants. Okay, these are the nothing special here. These are the from 30 consonants. Okay, 30 consonants. Okay, so today today I will teach this one. Okay, so these 4 characters from these 30 consonants. Okay, so there's the first one. Okay, first one is sa, 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 sa. Okay, it's yellow. That's why it's a high tone. Okay, sa. Okay, so how to write this one is you already know, and the hate have to write hate like this. Okay, it's a sa, 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 sa. Okay, this is a sa. Okay, and then the second one, this one, this is ra, 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 ra. Okay, ra. Ra also write like this. Okay, ra, how to write ra is like, okay, 3 steps. Okay, ra, 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 ra. Okay, then after that is the third one. Okay, this one, this is ma, 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 ma. Okay, ma, ma, ma. How to write ma? It's like this. Okay, like this, then this 3 steps. Okay, ma, ma. Okay, sorry. Ma. Okay, this is ma, 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 ma. Okay, ma. Okay, then the fourth one. Okay, fourth one. This one. This is pa, 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 pa. Okay, these and these two. Okay, ra, ma, pa. These are the basically lower sound, but different is aspiration and unaspiration. So these two, ra and ma is unaspiration one, and pa is aspiration one. Okay, so this is a pa. Pa, it's a blue one. Okay, pa, like pa, pa, pa. Okay, it's like this. Then how to write pa? Pa is like this. Okay, it's two steps. Okay, okay, this is pa, pa. Okay, that's it. Okay, so after that, I want to show you the meaning of these four characters. Okay, okay, here. So these are the meanings. Okay, sa. So this is a sa. Okay, it's a soil. Okay, so here you already know the ah. Okay, so we have to after the it's ma, and then it's ama. Okay, this one is tick. Okay, tick. Okay, sorry. Tick. This one is tick. Okay, tick. Tick. So in Tibetan language, we have tick. It means it's a full stop. Okay, full stop or comma. It's in order to divide the words. Okay, words. Okay, so we have to read is differently. Okay, so is separate and ma is separate. In order to separate the words, and then the letter words, then we have to put the tick. Okay, tick in Tibetan we call tick. Tick. Okay, tick. Okay, so ama, ma, ama. Okay, so this one is the full stop, the end of the words. Okay, so it's she. This is a she. Okay, she in Tibetan we call she. Okay, it means it's finished. Okay, in English we have to put the full stop as a full stop. Okay, and here this is a ra, ra, ra. Okay, this is ra. Okay, gold, ra. So this one, fourth one is pa, 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 pa. Okay, so this is a pa. Okay, okay. For today, that's it. And next week, I will teach you how to combine the vowel with these four characters and their meaning also meaning as well. Okay, so that's it. Then see you next week. 토제나 제일 제요.